Hi everyone, this is Chandni Singh and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a glamorous bridal makeup look with an exaggerated winged eyeliner, glitter and red lips. If I had to do this on a real bride, I would have definitely preferred doing lighter lips. This demo that you're going to see is a part of my professional makeup course at the Chandni Singh Makeup Academy. And आप जो देख रहे हो is just a 9-minute video of a 5-hour demo that I hold. Starting with the eyebrows always, and I do feel कि अगर आपकी eyebrows are perfectly filled up, your eye makeup always pops out a lot more. And it goes without saying that I'll be using the Louise Eye Shadow base. Today I'm also using one of my favorite palettes, the Natasha Denona Bronze palette. I fell in love with this palette in one go. The moment I used it, I just knew I love it. The only thing I miss in it is a really dark brown. However, that's perfectly alright if it's not there. The golds and browns are absolutely to die for, and I highly recommend this. To pop the eyes, I'm also using some glitter today and of course a nice beautiful winged eyeliner done right by the Nari Studio winged eyeliner brush. And in case you're wondering what is the Nari Studio, I'm launching this brand coming July, so just stay tuned. For the foundation today, I'm using one of my top favorite foundation, the Makeup Forever stick, and absolutely love what a beautiful glowy dewy finish it gives the skin. I've also recently started using the Too Faced concealers and I must say they're absolutely gorgeous. Using the Benefit Hoola to add some depth and dimension to her face. You guys know I do not like a very strong contour. And now it's time for some detailing, like the inner corner highlight for the eyes, the brow bone highlight, a little bit of brown color on the lower lash line, and of course making sure there are no harsh edges. For the blush, I'm using the Forever52 Spotlight palette plus the Natasha Denona Love Glow Cheek palette. I'm using lashes from my upcoming brand, the Nari Studio. If you do not follow us on Instagram yet, please do follow now. The lashes I've chosen are a medium density, not too heavy and not too light. I'll just say slightly dramatic. I do feel that a good red lipstick with the right undertone for Indian skin makes a huge difference. Today I'm using Too Faced red lipstick and I absolutely love this color. But yes guys, I always like to use lip liners before I fill in the lipstick. So I hope you like this look guys. Do let me know in the comments, what do you think? Tell me your favorite red lipstick. I would love to know. And yes guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe now and do not forget to switch on the notification button. And yes, do not forget to follow us on the Nari Studio on Instagram for more product updates. Thank you for watching.